just opening this crack up, plasterboard, cotton tape on it. Push the plaster up over here and over there to stop this cracking again. Okay, we'll fill this up, pushing it up over both sides. Try and give it some strength. Back over both sides. We've got to go right along doing this and insulation up in the roof. It's going to be a messy job doing it from up top. Okay, we're just leveling it off a bit now. All filled in. Okay, just trailing it up a bit now. Just got to float this feather over these two edges a little bit. Okay, we're ready for a solid scrape back. Here, a bit of a polish on. Okay, just giving it a final bit of a skim. All done there. It's very smooth, light sand, and you're ready to paint. Okay, just give me a light skim. Light sand, and we're ready to paint. Come up quite well. All the best, take care. Hope you enjoyed it. Thanks, see ya.